Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy: how to view your American Express virtual card number online in 2025. If you're an Amex user, you know that virtual card numbers add an extra layer of security for online shopping, helping protect your real card details from potential fraud. Stick around, because in just a couple of minutes, you'll be a pro at this. First things first, why would you need to see your virtual card number? Well, in 2025, with the rise of contactless payments and heightened online security, Amex has made it even simpler to generate and access these numbers right from your device. To get started, make sure you have the latest Amex app installed on your smartphone or access to the Amex website on your computer. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're on the website, head to the login page and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards or Accounts section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Virtual Card or Digital Wallet. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your cards. Select the one you want to view. Now, here's the fun part. Hit the Generate Virtual Number button if you haven't already created one, or simply View if it's already set up. Amex might prompt you for additional security, like a fingerprint scan or a one-time code sent to your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, your virtual card number will pop up on the screen, along with the expiration date and CVV. Make sure to note it down or screenshot it for your records, but remember to keep it secure. In 2025, Amex has integrated AI features that allow you to set expiration timers for these virtual numbers, adding even more protection. And there you have it. That's how you easily access your Amex virtual card number online. It's quick, secure, and perfect for those everyday online purchases. If you run into any issues, double-check your app version or contact Amex support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.